Hello everyone, welcome back to Inspirations for Whole Wellness. And today I want to ask you this. Wouldn't it be nice if ... So it's a phrase that I use with my clients, and I find that when we tap into this kind of question, that kind of curiosity, new possibilities open. So if you find yourself kind of stuck in whatever situation that is, maybe you're feeling a lot of stress, maybe you are worried a lot, maybe you are feeling anxiety, maybe you're feeling frustrated with certain relationships and things just keep happening over and over again. Maybe there's certain things with your body and your health that you're like, it won't improve, whatever area that is. So what I invite you to think about and ask yourself is, wouldn't it be nice if blank? So wouldn't it be nice if I felt relaxed right now? Wouldn't it be nice if I was to communicate really nicely with my son, with my daughter, with my partner? So what I want you to do is, at times that you are feeling stuck, that you're feeling like you're in this spiral of anxiety and worry and frustration and anger, and like the same thing is happening over and over again, and you're like, how am I going to get out of this? I just want you to stop for a second and ask, wouldn't it be nice if? And then in the blank, I want you to fill in the blank with your ideal situation, ideal emotion, ideal relationship, ideal communication, ideal experience with your body, ideal body weight, ideal health, ideal whatever it is. I'm trying to be as general as possible so that you can include it into anything. Ideal career, ideal amount of money in the bank, whatever it is. I know this sounds a little bit out there. It's like, how is this gonna help if I'm just imagining things? You might be wondering that, how is it gonna help if I'm just wondering what if? How is it gonna help me if I'm saying, wouldn't it be nice if? What's this imagination gonna do? Actually does a lot. And I talk about neuroscience. It's part of my work. I talk about how the brain works. I talk about how we manifest. I talk about energy, quantum physics, all these good things. So all these have a lot to do with what I'm asking you to do. I'm asking you to incorporate this sentence in your vocabulary, in your thought processes, in when you're feeling stuck. Just say this, because what you're doing is that you're tapping into some possibilities outside of your stuckness, outside of your past experience, outside of whatever hasn't been working. And you're tapping into the possibility that, wouldn't it be nice if I did have that ideal situation that I want with this and that? So try it. Don't skip it. Remember to do this when things get tough. And I'm here to support you for any further help that you need. Let me know in the comments how this is landing and if you're going to practice it. And I'll see you next time.